ToeFix is a company which specializes in developing innovative solutions for treatment in numerous foot conditions. The first product the company developed is an innovative treatment for ingrown toenail without surgery, without pain, and without side effects. The founder of the company is Dr. Liberson, who is a doctor, orthopedist, and specialist in feet condition, author of over 30 academic published articles and developer of several surgical procedures which have been tested clinically, and is head of the foot surgery department in the Haifa hospital. The device has been designed for treatment of the condition known as ingrown toenail, in which the nail grows into the soft tissues and causes infection and pain. The treatments are either by self-treatment, pedicure, or surgery. There are about 180,000 cases every year only in Israel, and every year about 2.5% of the entire world population suffers from it. The condition occurs due to cutting of the nail in a bad manner, infection of the nail by diseases like psoriasis or fungus, wearing a shoe which doesn't fit well, and other deformations of the nail. The reason Dr. Liberson developed ToeFix is that every day Dr. Liberson has seen dozens of patients suffering from ingrown toenail. Many were elderly people or diabetics. The problem with elderly and diabetic patients is that you can't treat them with the conventional treatment, which is surgery. Ingrown toenail is a nasty business, unbearable pain. During World War II, when I was in the RAF in 1946, I've suffered from this problem, and they decided to operate. It took me quite a while to recover. Recently, this nuisance came back to haunt me, and I have experienced pain. In a research we conducted, we came up with the findings that people don't want to undergo surgery, mostly because they fear the procedure of surgery, and even more from the injection of anesthetic. We offer a treatment without pain, without surgery, and without complications, using a device similar to the Elizarov device, which you can see here, by slow elevation of the side of the nail, which is penetrating the flesh, and splinting it for 3 days. In order to prove the effectiveness of the product, the company has conducted a series of experiments. The first experiments were theoretical and were used on models of nails. Afterwards, the experiments were tested on nail models based on animal nails, and after that the company conducted experiments on patients which volunteered, and lately the company conducted a series of clinical experiments on patients in Bnei Zion Hospital. About 5 years ago, I've been diagnosed with ingrown toenail on my right toe. And I tried all sorts of treatments which didn't help, and several surgeries too. Then I reached Dr. Liberson, which introduced me to his patent with the crane method. And now it's cured. Clinical experiments is when a group of 30 patients comes to Dr. Liberson's clinic. These 30 patients get treated by the ToeFix device. A second group of 30 patients get treated by surgery. Afterwards, the results are compared. The outcome of the experiment shows that all 30 patients which were treated with ToeFix have been cured, without pain, without surgery, and without side effects, so far for extensive periods of time. As it happens, I heard about Dr. Liberson's experimental treatment. I turned to him, and I must say it's absolutely surprising. It has absolutely improved my life. Thank God and thank Dr. Liberson. ToeFix is about to entirely revolutionize the ingrown toenail treatment market. For the first time, people with severe cases of ingrown toenail can get a treatment which solves their problem immediately, without surgery, without pain, without side effects, without need for recurring treatment, and most importantly, with full assurance of the company for the success of the treatment. Such a wonder! I don't know how it works. No surgery, no nothing. Here, I'm completely cured. I can wear my shoes and walk for miles, etc., etc., as if I've returned to my youth. I think I'll go back to playing tennis.